Hi, my name is Roz and I'm an actress.
Hello, my name is Charlie and I'm an actor. All my friends use Samsung and they kept asking me to try it, so I switched.
And I just really wanted like a device where I could do all my stuff. So my husband just kept telling me that Samsung is better, Android is better. So I switched. I think it took me about less than 3 days to figure out how to use all the different functions, like split screen function. You can message your wife.
Yeah, because every time I play games like this, she'll message me, I just swipe up. Now I know. If I charge my phone, I can't play at the same time because I cannot communicate with my friends. And I hate it, I really hate it. And I love the headphone jack for Samsung. When I go out with my friends, we always ask for a Samsung camera because
the picture always turns out the best.
Yes. And if you want to take pictures at night, right, Samsung beats hands down.
For me, there are actually quite a few things that I like about the phone. For example, you can customize your phone wallpaper with widgets. With one swipe, I can look at my calendar with one view. The other swipe, I can look at my email straight away. So I switched. How about you?
I switched too.